Well, hello. And today we're just going to be doing something that's pretty simple, but just in case you want to do it yourself, I'm going to be replacing the wiper blades on a Jeep Patriot. This really goes for any vehicle. So that's what we're going to be working on today. All right, so these are the wiper blades for 2015, I believe, Jeep Patriot. And we are replacing them with these that I got at Costco. They're 21-inch wiper blades. And all right, so you have a tab there. Push that tab down, and then you can slide this whole thing back. Once it comes back, you just slide that out. That's what the mechanism looks like. Now they have different mechanisms. So if you look in here, there's different adapters depending on your car. So you might have to replace that, but they're all pretty much the same. All right, so these are the different adapters that you're gonna have. The one that comes stock is the most standard one. You know, it's shaped like a U, and it's pretty simple. From there, you know, this goes right in there. You just push up until it clicks. There you go. Once it's clicked, once it clicks, then pretty much done. And that's how you replace your wiper blades. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to go ahead and thank all the subscribers. If you haven't already done that, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like and share. So I know it's something that's simple. Most people know how to do this, but if you don't, there's only one way to learn, is just going ahead and doing it. And these wiper blades cost me about, I think they were on sale for like $6 each at Costco. And then these are 21-inch blades for this particular vehicle. You got to look it up depending on your vehicle, but these are 21. They're pretty universal, so they go on almost any car as long as the width, actually the length, is correct. So that's going to be it for today. You know, pretty simple, but maintenance. You know, every couple of years you need to replace this. For 12 bucks, you know, it's worth just replacing them as often as you can. You know, every year or two, because you know, otherwise it'll make it difficult when you're driving out there in the rain. So that's it. Thank you very much.